Good morning, everybody. Here to wash out a tie-dye t-shirt. Giant tie-dye. I believe this is a 2X, right?
No, I think this one was a
Just
small.
an XL. It's not a small. I know that.
2XL.
2XL. Knew it was a big boy. Little too big to be a small. Beautiful, beautiful tie-dye though. Look at that thing just glistening in the sun. I believe this is the one we tried the mist gray on, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Very interested to see how that experiment comes out. Hopefully make some cool transitions into color. I'm assuming maybe a little bit of the color soaked into the gray too. You never know. We'll see. Outside with the cold water. To the inside? To the inside. Get it inside now. Gotta get unbanded. Let's get it unbanded. Very interesting to see how this one came out. How about you?
Very.
We're definitely excited about this one.
Let's see.
Lots of bands.
We usually do pink at the top and go down if we do like a gradient, a vertical color gradient.
Yeah.
But this one I did purple at the top and did it the opposite way.
That'd be neat. Something a little different. Get a little sneak preview of the colors in there. Let's see what we got. Ooh, nice. Look at that. That's pretty cool. You have the gray on the edges. It kind of bleached into some color too. That's really cool.
I like
Okay.
it.
I like that a lot, yeah. Ew. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. That came out really good. Look at that. Good transition of color all the way through it. Nice gray on the edges there. Oh yeah. This one came out really good, I think. That's the back side. Take a look at the front. Oh yeah, look at that. Just a good transition all the way down. I like how it's lined with gray all the way. Really cool. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.